Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your coding career opportunities with code.org, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the code.org website. Create an account if you don't have one already. Explore the variety of courses available on the platform. Select courses that align with your career goals and interests. Start with beginner courses if you're new to coding. If you're already familiar with the basics, consider intermediate or advanced courses. Engage with the interactive lessons to enhance your learning experience. Participate in coding challenges provided in the curriculum. Complete projects to apply what you've learned in real-world scenarios. Join the code.org community to connect with other learners. Participate in forums to ask questions and share knowledge. Attend live sessions or events hosted by code.org whenever possible. Consider obtaining certifications offered by code.org to validate your skills. Create a portfolio showcasing your completed projects. Network with industry professionals through code.org's platforms or events. Stay up to date with coding trends and technologies through their resources. Utilize the resources for educators if you wish to tutor or mentor others. Explore additional resources like coding competitions and hackathons to further enhance your skills. Regularly practice coding outside of the platform to reinforce your learning. Leverage what you've learned to seek internships or entry-level positions in tech companies. Use your newly acquired skills to enhance your resume and LinkedIn profile. Continue learning through advanced courses and other coding resources beyond code.org. Set goals for your coding career and regularly assess your progress. By following these steps, you can effectively increase your coding career opportunities with code.org. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.